and welcome to Irunbelle. My name is Tope, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do rope twist on your natural hair. If you don't know how to do the regular two-strand twist, then this is also a very good way for you to achieve a hairstyle that looks like twist. If you're tired of the regular two-strand twist, then by all means try this out as well. So if you're interested, do keep on watching.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow, sensitive, feel the afterglow, looking for things that I can't control, fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try, can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Blacking out, fractures fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try, can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa.